Welcome to our quick guide on using customgpt.ai. Discover how easy it is to create business chatbots that can enhance your customer interactions. Customgpt.ai features a user-friendly interface that simplifies the chatbot creation process. Let's take a closer look at its main features. Getting started is easy. Follow these simple steps to sign up and access your customgpt.ai account. Defining your business requirements and understanding your target audience is crucial for creating effective chatbots. Now, let's craft conversational prompts and responses that will resonate with your audience and enhance their experience. Incorporate custom branding options and voice settings to make your chatbot truly unique and aligned with your brand identity. Integrating your chatbot with popular platforms such as websites and social media is essential for maximum reach. Once you've built your chatbot, it's crucial to test its functionality and ensure a seamless user experience. Analyze performance metrics and gather user feedback for continuous optimization of your chatbot. The future of chatbots in business is bright. With customgpt.ai, you're equipped to take full advantage of this technology.